Welcome back to the channel, guys. Check this out. Did you know that starting on October 15th, YouTube is launching a new update that will allow shorts to be up to 3 minutes long? Crazy, right? This new feature will allow creators to bring a deeper, more engaging storytelling experience to their viewers. This means that videos in a square or vertical aspect ratio format under 3 minutes will now be categorized as a YouTube short. The good thing though is that this update won't affect any of your content posted prior to October 15th. The bad news is that any short that is over 60 seconds long that uses copyrighted audio and visuals will be blocked and unplayable. There's gonna be no more copyright claims this time. To sum things up, YouTube Shorts is now moving to 3 minutes long, so make the best of it. But make sure you're not using any kind of copyrighted material or your video will not be shown on the Shorts feed. Just keep this in mind. Change is good, and let's all embrace it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.